and welcome to another video of 25 Christmas cookies from around the world with the Cookbook Kitchen. Our cookie adventure today is taking us to Scotland, and we are trying out a cookie recipe from the Joy of Cookies cookbook, and we are making Scottish shortbread. Welcome to today's video, and let's see what we are working with. Butter, powdered sugar, vanilla, salt and orange zest, tapioca starch. The recipe uses cornstarch and I didn't have cornstarch at the moment, so this is what I'm going to use. All-purpose flour. We are going to beat our butter with our powdered sugar, vanilla, salt, and orange zest. Then we fold our tapioca. Lastly, we are going to add our all-purpose flour, but a little at a time.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo, Gloria in excelsis Deo. Come to Bethlehem and see.
I'm going to wrap the dough, and I'm supposed to refrigerate it for about an hour or 4 hours until firm. You can see it's very soft. That's why I opted to use the spatula instead of my hands. I want to shape it because from the way I've read the recipe, once you remove it from the fridge, you're supposed to cut into the cookie shape and then bake. So that means it's supposed to go into the fridge when it's already in the required shape. 99% of these recipes I try them for the first time on camera, so that you guys can see the ease or the difficulties of doing the recipes. I rarely try out a recipe first, then I come do the video. Most of the time, I do the recipes for the first time on camera. Whatever backfires, we do the video again and again until we ace it. See you when we come back. Boom. We are back. So we need to cut our dough and then we arrange it on our baking sheet. I'm going to use a ruler. Yep.
What child is this who lay to rest on Mary's lap is sleeping? Whom angels greet with anthems sweet, while shepherds watch are keeping. This is Christ the King, whom shepherds guard and angels sing. Haste, haste to bring him, Lord, the babe, the Son of Mary. So bring him incense, gold, and myrrh. Come, peasant king, to